Here I've got Blackview BV9700 Pro, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open your phone dialer, go to keypad, and now it's time to enter the first secret code, which is *##4636 ###. And as you can see, now we are in testing mode, and here you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. So let me start with phone information, where you can read email number, phone number, if your SIM card is included, then current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, and plenty of other very important information. Then you can also run a ping test here. Simply click on Run Ping Test to perform this operation. And as you can see, in my case, it passed. And then you can smoothly come along with all the further details. Let me go back. Now we've got user statistics. So here you will find detailed information about all your applications. As you can see, all of them are included here. And finally, you can also check Wi-Fi information. Simply open it. And now you can check APA, configuration, and also status. So let's open Network APA, where you can locate disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configure networks, and also the whole connection info. Then in Wi-Fi configuration, you can check all the configured networks. And then in Wi-Fi status, simply refresh it. You can read Wi-Fi state, network state, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here. Simply click Run Ping Test, and below you will find the solution. So that would be all for this one. And let's go to the second code, which is *##426 ###. And as you can see, this is a diagnostic mode where you can check events and also pings. And if you will click on the more icon located in the right upper corner, click on Advanced View. And here you've got the detailed info. So let's go back, and it's time for the third code, which is *##225 #*#. And here you've got calendar info, in which you can read holidays and all the other very important events that are included in your calendar. So from now on, you will not forget about any important date, any important event. So this is it for this one. And the last code, very useful one, and the shortest, it's *##06#. And as you can see, this one provides you with both email numbers assigned to your Blackview. Click on OK to go back, and that would be all about your secret codes. You can use them as often as you want to. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.